This girl, Brenda, wake up already. It's time to go to work.
Why you wake me up? I dreamt that I was in this super rich family and then I have such a luxurious lifestyle.
You are getting late, you know. Stop dreaming lah. Faster go get ready.
I tell you, in that dream, my grandparents were investing in China during the booming era. And then they got so super rich. And then now that I'm awake, I just realized that we missed the opportunity of a lifetime with China's growth.
Why you want to dream, but you can wake up now and make things happen? Do you know that you have available opportunity right here, right now?
Really? What's that?
Let me tell you about Vietnam. Do you know that this country is going to be the next China?
Vietnam War.
Didn't you hear about it? In recent years, many of the brands, they have started to manufacture their products in Vietnam. Besides that, a variety of delicious Vietnamese food have eventually landed in Malaysia. And also, Vietnamese manpower has been growing a lot.
Now that you say about this, I just realized that my running shoes, my handphone, they are all made in Vietnam.
You see, similarly, back to 5 and 10 years ago, a lot of things that we have been using were made in China too. Over these years, labor cost in China has been increasing. So that's why a lot of factories or manufacturers in China, they are forced to move out and then they choose an alternative country. Where is it? Vietnam lah. And also, US and also the China tension thing, it speed up the moving out. So, as you can see, they moved to an alternative country. Where is the country? Vietnam, because it's really amazing and beautiful. Besides that, you need to know Vietnam, it has 100 million population, a lot of youngsters and Leng Zai, you know. Yeah, so that's why we call Vietnam the China Plus One.
That sounds amazing. That is what I'm looking for.
That's why I've told you earlier, stop dreaming. Hey, where are you going?
Where else? I'm looking for the United Vietnam Equities Fund. I need to invest right now.
I'm not done talking yet lah.